Hey, what's up, guys? Hypebeast Dad. So we're back. I got a box. A quick story about this box. This box is producer history. It's one of my grails. I've been into production since the early 2000s, and one of the machines that I always wanted was a SP 1200. Why? Because I saw all the greats have it. I saw people like DiBiase use the SP12 to make some amazing stuff. Saw all the legendary people use it, from Large Pro to Pete Rock. It's a legendary device. So this year, January 1st, the first day of the year, I put down a lot of money to get this baby. This is the Rossum reissue. Gonna definitely open it, show you guys what's in the box. We're gonna talk about it a little bit. I am coming from an MPC, so I've never used the SP1200. I've seen them in the studio before, but I've never used one personally. So we're gonna try it out. I'm probably gonna be selling some equipment because this bad boy is expensive. We're gonna see if it's worth it, so you guys don't have to. Once again, this is a Hypebeast Dad channel. If you're not subscribed, you are missing out to great grassroots, independent, underground content of a guy just like you. I work a 9 to 5. I actually am a store lead at Guitar Center, so I'm like a mini manager at a Guitar Center. And all I do is talk gear, guitars, drums all day. And when I get home, I talk drum machines, because that's my language. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Oh man, so I don't have a knife on me. I'm just using a makeshift thing to open it up. That might be my first fail, because this is actual legit plastic or tape that's that seems to need a knife, but we're making it work. Extra screw that I found in the basement for the win. I don't know where my knife is, so hey, you don't know for everything. You can MacGyver it. MacGyver. So first thing you get is a packing slip from Rossum. They basically tell you, what you got in there. And mine is number 292. So good old 292. So it's a big ass box. And then another big ass box right inside of it. How do you do this? Not the easiest thing to get the second box out. Definitely struggling. Probably a two-person job. I have no friends in Beats. I have no friends. Alright. I think we did it. Get this big ass box out here. Woo! Woo! That was a workout. Alright. Big ass box is gone. 292 is my unit. Let's open the second big ass box. Oh shit. We gotta bring it over here. Woohoo! It is real, baby. It is real, baby. Oh man. So if y'all hit me up and I'm nowhere to be found, I'm probably just working on my machine. Looking at it, it looks epic. I'm about to take my MPC Live off the drum stand, put it on there. I'll do a video of the size difference. Actually, I'll just show you guys real quick, because I'm about to learn how to make a beat on here real quick. I'm about to learn something today. So currently I'm in my basement. It is a mess. Sorry about that, but I'm currently using my MPC Live. I use this I headphones a lot of times. But yeah, I'm gonna take this off, make this bigger, and see if the Rossum SP fits on there. But first thoughts, it's massive. So let's take it out the box and let's just see how massive it is just on this table. I just put this table up. This is a raggedy ass table, but it's good for what we're doing right now. So yeah, it's definitely heavy as hell. This box is massive as hell. We'll put this massive ass box on other massive ass box. Ooh. 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 The history, if you guys could see my face. The history, guys. Oh my God. Alright, so I'm gonna open it up. Plug it up, put it on the stand, see what happens. But yeah, we got it. It is in hand. It is real. So if you guys have that Rossum on and you're waiting, it just might take a long time. Mine took 10 months, guys. So just be patient, okay? All right, shout out to Rossum for this too.